The power of precision. In modern farming, efficiency is more than just speed. It's about precision and power. Introducing our largest twin-axle powerhouse, Manure spreader. Engineered for those who demand the highest capacity without compromising on performance. Built for heavy-duty tasks, this model features a massive body capacity. With side extensions, it reaches a staggering 26 cubic meters, allowing you to cover more ground with fewer trips. But size is only half the story. The real intelligence lies in its modern control system. Equipped with integrated weighing scales and rate maps, this spreader ensures that every single hectare receives the exact amount of material required. No waste, no guesswork, just data-driven farming for maximum soil fertility. Reliability is at the core of our design. The ultra-dependable 4-chain conveyor system guarantees a smooth, consistent feed and a long service life. Combined with horizontal beaters, the system delivers a spreading width of up to 24 meters, ensuring perfect uniformity across the field. Versatility is what sets this model apart. It's not just for cattle manure. Whether you are spreading lime or, as seen here, sludge, this machine handles it all with ease. It's an essential tool designed to optimize your soil's yield potential effectively.